How to add music to Instagram notes. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, navigate to your messaging section and then click to add note. Now, once you are on this page right here, you will see that there is a music icon at the bottom of your note. So click on it. And here, Instagram will give you a large list of songs that can be added to your note. You can select from these for you list, or you can browse, you can search for music, whatever you want. So let me, for example, choose a random one. Say, for example, this one right here. Here you can trim your music as you like, as you can see. And once you are okay with it, just click on OK. And as you can see, this song or music has been added to your note. You can either share some thoughts. I don't know, let me type in random thing. For example. And once you are done, just click on share at the top right corner of your screen, and your note will be shared with the added music or song to it. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a song or music to your Instagram notes. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.